Anybody want a Hana banana? Can boil some food here now. Serve with the Jamaican seasoning blend. We have the banana them from outside. We have a flour for the dumplings. We have the ackee and we have the saltfish. About the ackee, I live in America, okay? Take time. Drop the bananas in the boiling water and let's feel up and knead up and rub up the dumpling. Love it like your woman. Drop some coconut oil in the pot and drop the aromatics and tomato right into that hot oil. One thing about Jamaicans, our food must taste good. No time to shake it up. Saltfish. Yeah, man. What's next? What's next? Ackee! See it there, people. Look at that. The food look like my flag. And that is it. Happy Independence Day, Jamaica.